Question number 23. What is the approximate range of frequencies of electromagnetic radiation visible to human eye? See, 430 to 750 is same. Kilo, mega, giga, tera is been same. Okay. So therefore, kilo is what? 10 cube. This is 10 power 6. This is 10 power 9. There should be 10 power 12 over here. Okay. So therefore, now we need to look at the ranges over here, not the numbers over here. So therefore, now what we do is let us take, what is this now? The wavelengths which are known to us is 400 to 700 nanometers is the visible wavelength which is known to us. So therefore, your frequency, let us say f1, if I take this will be c divided by lambda, 400 nano, which should be what? 3 into 10 to the power of 8 divided by 4 into 10 to the power of minus 7, which should be 0.75 into 10 to the power of 15. When I write this, I get this as 750 into 10 to the power of 12. See, 750 is here, 10 power 12 is here. Okay, so no other range will be like this. So therefore, D should be your right answer, because you are going to solve problems in 1 minute and don't waste your time calculating everything. Okay.